Hello. Right, here we go with the Hawker Fury, one of the interwar aircraft, and one time a frontline aircraft, but now a rather attractive museum piece. This is the Revell kit, 172 scale Revell kit, and it's quite an old tooling because I made one of these when I was in my early teens, I think. Not this one, but a previous one. Very basic kit, only a few parts. It's got a seat, but it's very ordinary seat. Wouldn't expect too much at this scale and this price range. It does have the cockpit windscreen, which is what you need when you're getting a blast from a propeller. The ribbon, I think it's called ribbon, the interior of the wing anyway, when you've got the fabric over it, because it's a fabric aircraft doped with silver paint. It seems to be a bit strong to what you'd expect, so maybe it's a little bit out of scale, but like I say, for the price you can't really argue with it. I probably should have glossed the yellow parts too, but you know, doesn't matter really, does it? On a real aircraft of this time, the engine area is usually quite polished. I did try to polish it with some chrome paint, but doesn't always work, and sometimes it fades to matte sometimes. I haven't put the rigging on, but I never do, because I haven't got the skills for that yet. But that's really more or less all you can say about it. It's a standard Revell Hawker Fury kit from the early 80s, I expect, is the moulding. And there you go. Nice addition to any collection of Hawker aircraft if you want to model them. Alright, there we go.